Here I have another lock sent to me by FarmerFreak. I believe he said this one was made by Chris over at keypicking.com. There's the bidding on it. Schlage 5-pin key and knob. Lots of little rotations going here. There she is picked. And go ahead and gut it. Let's see what we got in here. I can see the first pin is, oh, I can't see it. Nope. First pin looks like it's all serrated. Plug follower is not wanting to go through. We got it. Okay, take the tray out. There's 1, 2. Looks like he used some lab serrated pins. And some maybe scorpion drivers, or I'm sorry, scorpion key pins. Some more lab serrateds. And some ASSA that he cut even deeper. Oops, one just went rolling off the table. And a spool. No counter milling. Holy hell. No counter milling at all. And let's see the pins. Why is it so damn dark? It's not that dark down here. There we go. Spool and a serrated and a serrated and a serrated. And a serrated a little deeper. Standard. Another serrated. And a pyramid. I think that's a pyramid pin. Alright, that's it. Thanks FarmerFreak and Chris for the lock. And thanks for watching.